Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in today's video we are going to review our Qualcomm stock, and we are also going to see what is going to be the price target for Qualcomm for the year 2025, what are the upcoming catalysts for the stock, and how the stock has performed over the last couple of years. We're going to check all of that in this video. Before we get started, let's first understand what does Qualcomm do. Qualcomm is an American multinational corporation that designs and manufactures wireless telecommunications products including semiconductors, software, and services. The company is best known for its Snapdragon processors, which are used in many of the best Android smartphones. Qualcomm also makes modems, platforms, RF systems, and connectivity products. Qualcomm chips are currently being used in Samsung's phone. Now let's understand how the stock has done over the last couple of years. So if I go over to the stock, you can see here currently the stock is trading at $207.73. The 52-week high for the stock is $230.63. So it's right now down from its 52-week high, which makes it a good buying point. In the last 1 month, the stock went down almost by 7%, 6.48% here. In the last 6 months, the stock has gained 47.26%. Year to date, the stock went up by 48.919%. In the last 1 year, the stock went up by 68%. In the last 5 years, the stock went up by 177%. An all-time high for the stock is 36,983%, which is very good for this Qualcomm stock. Not only that, Qualcomm also gives you a dividend of 1.64% here. You can see, so if you are a dividend investor, this is a great news for you. So there are two important things that you need to keep in mind. One is Qualcomm's PE ratio is pretty low, which is 27.94. So it's around the industry standards. And because of that, Qualcomm is not an expensive stock, and also it's not an overpriced stock. So this is a good point to make an entry in the Qualcomm stock. The other important thing is the Qualcomm also gives you a dividend. So if you are a dividend investor, this is great news for you. Now let's understand what are the upcoming catalysts for the Qualcomm stock. Qualcomm is making big moves with its Snapdragon X processors, trying to compete with Intel and AMD in the PC market. So Qualcomm is trying to compete in the PC market with their Snapdragon processors. These processors focus on AI features, working with Microsoft Copilot program to improve AI experiences on Windows PCs. So Qualcomm also has a partnership with Microsoft with their Microsoft Copilot program, which is a great news for Qualcomm. There are also rumors that Qualcomm will be the only chip supplier for Samsung's next Galaxy S25 smartphone, which is a big win in the competitive smartphone market. So if this rumor is true that Samsung is going to have Qualcomm chips in the new Galaxy smartphone, that is going to be great for Qualcomm. So there are two major partnerships Qualcomm has. One is with the Microsoft and the other one is with the Samsung, and it is trying to compete in the PC industry as well, in the AI PC industry with their Qualcomm chips. So these are some of the upcoming catalysts for Qualcomm. The company is also working with ARM Holdings to focus on the new AI PC category using ARM-based Qualcomm chips to provide advanced AI features. So the partnership is where the money lies. One is the partnership with the Microsoft, the other one is with the Samsung, and now they're also collaborating with ARM Holdings to build their AI PCs, which is going to be a great development for Qualcomm. This move puts Qualcomm at the forefront of a possible technological revolution. With strong finances, a focus on AI, and partnership with big tech companies like Microsoft and Samsung, Qualcomm seems like a good investment opportunities. That is so true. Now let's understand what is going to be the price target for Qualcomm for the year 2025. Based on the current performance, market conditions, and future prospects, some analysts predict Qualcomm stock price could reach $280 to $300. And currently the stock is trading at $207, and it has the potential to reach $280 by the year 2025, which is great news for Qualcomm stock because Qualcomm has so many good partnerships in its buckets, and also the processors that is building, the Snapdragon processors it's building is great for the PCs. With strong finances, a focus on AI, and partnership with big tech companies like Microsoft and Samsung, Qualcomm seems like a promising investment. So if you have not bought the stock yet, I highly recommend you to buy the Qualcomm stock, make an entry into the stock at this buy point, which is a good buy point. It is not an overpriced stock as well. So definitely my recommendation is going to be buy for the Qualcomm stock. I'm not a financial expert, but this is what I have done for myself. I have Qualcomm stock at the price point of $170, and I'm going to keep it for next couple of years. And if you want to watch such kind of videos in the future, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss any video from the channel. Please do hit the like and subscribe button, and tomorrow I'm going to see you with another video on another stock. So stay tuned for that. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye. Take care.